This is Humber Library's APA in Minutes. This video will show you the basics on how to create an in-text citation in APA format. An in-text citation is a short citation that refers a reader to the full reference at the end of your paper. Anytime you paraphrase or quote someone else's words or ideas within the body of your paper, you must give credit to the original author. A basic in-text citation will commonly include the author's last name, year of publication, and the page number. When quoting an author's exact words, place quotation marks around the text, then include your in-text citation. Begin with the author's last name, comma, the year of publication, comma, and the page number preceded by the letter P. Surround in parentheses and follow by a period. If you summarize an author's idea using your own words, this is a paraphrase. A paraphrase still requires an in-text citation. When paraphrasing, you do not include quotation marks. Begin your in-text citation with the author's last name, comma, the year of publication, comma, and page number, surround in parentheses, and complete with a period. There are many ways to introduce a quotation or paraphrase when writing a paper. If you refer to the author in a sentence, as this example shows, always include the date of publication next to the author's name. Place the page number at the end of your sentence to complete your in-text citation. You do not need to repeat the author's name or date. For two authors, use an ampersand after the first author's name. For 3 to 5 authors, place a comma after each author and include an ampersand before the last author is listed. For 6 or more authors, follow the first author's name with et al, meaning and others. If there is no known author, include a shortened title in place of the author's name. If your source does not include page numbers, indicate the paragraph where you found the information by using the abbreviation para followed by a period. Your reference list is at the end of your paper and will contain the full citation information. Make sure to put citations in alphabetical order. Don't forget to double space and indent after the first line. For more information and support with APA, book an appointment with the Writing Center, consult the OWL at Purdue, or refer to the APA manual available at Humber Libraries.